Welcome to SurveySparrow, and in this video, we will be talking about anonymous survey tool. Not all surveys deal with pet food and the best features on a mobile phone. When you are conducting a survey on a topic that is sensitive in any way, many respondents stay away from them in fear of losing privacy or worse, lie in the survey. Imagine that your manager is an unpleasant and unhealthy boss. The higher management is conducting feedback for this particular manager. The first question of the survey is to fill out name and employee ID. Do you think any of the entry-level employees would dare to speak out against the manager? They would all lie. The employer wouldn't come to know about the reason for such high employee turnover and disengaged employees until it's too late. Certain surveys like that demand anonymity for giving honest answers. Anonymous survey tool lets the respondents take the survey without ever being intrusive into the personal details. Responses will be delinked from the respondent in every way possible. Only the data will appear in the reports and nothing about who said what. This anonymous survey tool helps you gather candid responses, which otherwise the respondent was reluctant to share. You get unbiased and honest answers with a small addition to your survey software. Check out our other videos to find something interested in surveys and feedbacks.